it
hang
works.
hang on. Right, part 3, testing the robot. Lewis, do you think this is going to work? What do you think? Yes or no? Grandad, have you switched it on?
Let's switch the robot Bluetooth on.
Bluetooth on.
The phone Bluetooth.
Phone Bluetooth on.
The Cyber Robot program.
Cyber robots come up.
Let's switch that on.
Is it going to work? What do we think? Will it work? Oh no, it's not done anything. Oh no, has Grandad mended it?
That's on.
Ready? Steady.
I don't believe it.
It stopped working. Bluetooth on. That pesky Bluetooth again, Lewis. Check the connection. No, connectors are not connecting. Oh, Lewis.
Let's try soldering it this side as well.
Oh, more solder. I think that must be part 4. Okay, get ready.